Oh man, the Dollar Tree turned into a high-end store like Kirkland's, but more on that in a minute. Today we are diving into 21 things you should keep your eyes peeled for at the Dollar Tree summer of 2021. I can't wait to hang out with you today. Let's jump into it. Oh my goodness! They brought back these bins, but they are better. They're flexible and perfect for pool toys. I love this. I love sharing with you brand new organizing products. And when I posted this next one, it got to the top post on Instagram because it is that good. These drawer organizers. The brand on this is Easy, E-Z-Y. You get 2 for $1. They are thick and quality and fabulous in an office or any drawer. Best price I've seen in a while. Also, check the graduation section. Yes, the graduation section for the serving supplies for organization. Look at this find I saw on Instagram. And of course, it did not exist at my store. But fear not, I went on dollartree.com, and you can too. I'll be sure to link it down below. I typed it in and I could buy 16 of these and then pick them up from my store. It's a great way to shop and get the organizing products you want if you're having a hard time finding them. That's how you know you're a pro Dollar Tree shopper. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you, I could not believe I saw in store. They carry these tubes in the Crafter's Square now, which are collapsible for photos, art projects, but I think this is gonna be great for my Cricut vinyl. These work so well for vinyl, but as I was putting this together, I was thinking because these are pretty waterproof, they would work great for documents, art supplies, or even in your camper. You'll have to let me know down below how you plan to use them. I also stuck some zip ties in mine. The next organizing product you should check out for are these giant rope buckets. Now these are near the cleaning section, and we use them to keep our chalk because they are so high quality. Also, if you didn't know, the Dollar Tree chalk is a phenomenal deal. If that's all you bought this summer for your kids, you'd save a lot. And we go through a lot of red.
Okay, Owen, what are you drawing?
Daddy's house on fire.
Oh.
Celebrate good times. The Dollar Tree stepped it up and their party decor. I love all of the flamingo items this year. You'll have to leave me a comment down below which is your favorite. And the BPA-free glassware is another great score. Make sure you also check out the birthday party section. The themed birthday party kits are awesome and you can't beat the price. And you can get that high-end Pinterest look. But if you go in for nothing else, get the balloons, especially the confetti balloons. You could buy these on Amazon for way more or achieve the exact same look from the Dollar Tree. I like to keep a few simple staples I always have on hand because these are really easy to collapse. They're paper lanterns. I also pick up some S-hooks from the garden section, and these are great to hang on umbrellas, and they're not wasteful because you can use them from season to season. I love those anchor pieces that are really classic and traditional for any party, so you can use them again and again. These mason jars and candles are beautiful outside, and put 3 or 4 of their placemats together for an instant table runner. This looks high-end and is only a few dollars. So if you're like me and every summer you have garden aspirations, you are gonna love this. These are 3-tier stacking planters. This is great for strawberries and herb garden. I can't wait to do this with my kids.
It will grow that big all the way up to that tree branch.
That's very aspirational, Owen, I like that.
All of their planters are great and 5-star rated. Lots of them I give a quick coat of spray paint and they look so beautiful on your porch. I found this year that gardening has been a really great way for me to relax. Every time I'm in store, I keep grabbing these angled solar lights. They look great to give that custom lit look around your home. Seriously, do not pass these up. Now on to some high-end decor that blew me away. The Dollar Tree just got a brand new line called Shore Living. I'm wondering how many of these they're gonna come out with, but it's tons of that Kirkland's look, lots of things that you'd find at Hobby Lobby, but at a $1 price point. Super cool. Raise your hand if you have anybody staying at your house this summer. Check these out. They have little Wi-Fi password signs. These are really cute. I always grab up a few new signs, and my secret trick is to spend $4. Grab some longer signs, it doesn't matter what's on them, and just pick one that you like. These are actually from Halloween. I had them left over in my stash. And glue them together. I'm just using tongue depressors on the back here. Flip it over and give it a coat of chalk paint. You want it to be really light so it looks a little bit rustic. And then you can add on the sign that you really love. I've been all about this simple. These little starfish really spoke to me along with these mini palettes. What an elegant way to display your candles for that beachy vibe. This is so easy, anyone can do it. Two things you want to pick up at Dollar Tree right now are luau skirts. I know this is going to sound crazy, but you can do so many DIYs with this that look really high end. I saved my hula skirts for fall. This is from the blog Tater Tots and Jello, and I can't wait to give something similar a try. They have kickboards and pool noodles, and I really like these noodle boosters. You can add these on the end, and you can actually turn this into a ring shape. Slip it in, fun to play with in the pool. And fun fact, I'm actually not a very good swimmer, so I always like having a pool noodle. And definitely save the long pool noodles for other seasons. You can wrap the Dollar Tree garland around this to make a wreath at Christmas. The possibilities are endless. We always have pool noodles at our house. Next are some outdoor staples. Don't miss these in store. I love their grill scrubbers. These are great to keep your grills nice and sparkling. And also they have a lot of 5-star rated cleaning products like this Summer Blend windshield wiper fluid. But my all-time favorite is LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. This works so well to remove pollen with no elbow grease. Now, I've talked about this product a lot now. It's awesome for your automobiles, for your grills, even grill covers. But what you may not know, this stuff also works great combined with a power washer. Lots of professional companies do this. They'll spray areas that are a little bit hard to clean, especially gutters, give it a quick rinse and wipe down, and oh man, all of your surfaces will shine like new. If you enjoyed this video, would you let me know by leaving it a big thumbs up and a comment down below? That really helps me out a lot. And I would love to know the things that you are finding in Dollar Tree right now that I definitely need to check out. I am so ever grateful for this community and the fact that you would take time out of your busy day to hang out with me like a friend. Thank you so much for being here. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. Be sure to subscribe because I cannot wait to catch you in the next video, and I don't want you to miss it. I'll see you there. Bye.
Ooh,
You look at that.
that's disgusting. That is.
Yeah.
we, I
We
mean,
have not cleaned this table for like a couple of years now.
so, thank you, Owen.